Okay, we're going to nominate our forecast for being the best forecast, and I'm pretty much sure we'll win. Taking a live look at our SDCCU.com tower cam, we are starting to notice those clouds yet again hanging in right along the coastline. Not looking overcast just quite yet, but we will notice those clouds thickening up for us over the evening hours, staying until most likely around 8 in the morning. Temperatures are going to drop tomorrow. That's the big change for us. We'll notice them fall around 1 to 2 degrees. So it's not a tremendous change, but nonetheless, it is there. Not going to be long-lived, though. We're forecasting a warm-up to begin already by the weekend, which will peak on Tuesday, taking our temperatures into the 80s at the beaches. Currently at this hour, into the upper 60s in San Diego, about 67 degrees. Palo around 64, and even through Palomar Mountain, 75 degrees for you. We still have these two systems that we're really watching. The first one to our south, notice that jet stream has a little bit of a bubble. That high pressure system's been in place for today, which is what brought us temperatures a little bit toastier than normal. I'd say about 2 degrees warmer than normal. But check out the trough that's already beginning to move on in. That one's out over toward the Pacific. It's getting closer to us, and as it does so, it's going to nudge our warm ridge away, and we'll see our temperatures fall. But like I've said, it's really only for one day. And if anything, temperatures are going to fall close to seasonal, so we're not really in store for a dramatic cool down. Here's your forecast. Starting us off at around 7:30 into the morning, those clouds will be around the upper 60s for the coast, inland areas, the low 60s, maybe even dealing with a few 50s in some locations. As we progress through the afternoon, 12 o'clock, the lower 70s now for the coast instead of the mid 70s that we've been dealing with. Also notice the temperature change for inland areas. You've been in the 90s in some locations. Not happening tomorrow. Instead, only 88. Ramona, Lakeside, about 83 degrees. And even as you get a little bit closer out toward Mira Mesa, we're only talking about the upper 70s for you. Wind speeds anticipating about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will be a little bit humid for us, though, on our Friday. Saturday, we should see our temperatures either stay similar to where they were Friday or jump about a degree or two. So you'll notice that warm about over toward Chula Vista, 77 degrees. So if you're heading out, though, to that Sun and Sea Festival, plenty of sunshine for you. If you like it a little bit warmer, Saturday might be a better day than Friday. Into the waters we go. We are looking at fair conditions for you surfers. Your high tide coming in at around 7 in the evening. 7-day forecast. Ned, I'm going to ask if you can finish these numbers off because I'm getting over a cold and I feel like I have to cough.
Okay, not a problem. Is my mic up? Maybe. But here's the 7-day forecast. There we go. We are in the mid-70s for Friday and then upper 70s by the weekend, as you see right there for the coast. And then we're going to hit the 80s on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And then moving on to the mountain ranges, upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, dropping down a little bit on Sunday and staying in the upper 80s for the rest of next week with that storm system out there on Thursday possibly for the mountains and the deserts.
Nicely
Thank you, Sabrina.
Done. Feeling all right,
I can
Sabrina?
read her graphics.
Feeling better?
She did all the work.
Awesome. Okay.